Hey travelers, welcome back to TMR Tours. Ryan here. Today we are going over to Saratoga Springs Resort to stay in one of their 2-room villas. As you walk into the main common room area, it is quite spacious and it features a breakfast nook and dining area, a living room / family room, as well as a full-size kitchen. Now the kitchen does feature a microwave, a stove and range, and a stand-up fridge and freezer. So if you want to prepare any meals or go to the grocery store, tons of space. There is also a coffee maker as well as a dishwasher. And what's nice about the DVC villas and the bungalows and cabins, they all come with plates, glasses, mugs, anything you might need to prepare a meal for your family. Another nice feature in the family room, the couch and entertainment system have fold-out Murphy beds. So a whole nother double and single bed, so you can sleep up to 3 people in this area. This is a great feature if you come down with the whole family, kids, grandma, grandpa, the works. Another thing to note are these Murphy beds are pretty easy to pull down practically with one hand. They're very well counterbalanced and quite comfortable. Off of the living room, there is a nice little terrace area, and on upper levels, it's a balcony. So a nice place where you can enjoy a morning coffee and relax. Now let's check out the first bedroom. This is not the master suite, which we'll get to in a moment. Now as you come in, there is this nice little coat rack and hat rack, your closet, as well as your bathroom, and then a pretty spacious room. Now it also has all those modern amenities, so you have the USB plugs on the side of not only the entertainment system, but also next to the beds. Now the drawers are very spacious if you want to unpack your suitcase into them. It works really great, and then slide your suitcase right under the bed. One thing Stacy and I really loved about this room was the double vanity mirror and sinks. So we could both get ready, each have our own side, everything stayed nice and tidy. Now the closet is pretty big, and this is where you're going to find extra blankets and pillows. You also have hangers to be able to hang up anything if you have dresses or suits. And then there is this other side closet for extra storage. So if you come in the winter, maybe you can put jackets there. All kinds of options for storage. The bathroom is a pretty basic setup with the toilet as well as the step over walk-in shower. But of course, one of the things we love about some of these refurb rooms is the double faucet. The overhead shower and the handheld are great for getting clean after a day in the hot Florida sun. And of course, shampoo, conditioner, and all that on the pumps on the wall. Now let's check out the master suite across the hall and past the common room. Now there are a lot of doors here to navigate, but one of them goes directly into the king-sized master bedroom. Now it does have all those updated plugs, USB on the side of the entertainment system, as well as the end tables next to the bed. Everything you might need, spacious drawers, a little sitting area in the corner, and of course, housekeeping leaving those amazing Mickey Mouse towels. Now moving into the bathroom. This only features one sink, but there is another sink in an adjacent space. Now there is a tub, no jacuzzi, but a very nice sized tub. And then of course, going behind this door, there is another area where there is a walk-in closet. That's where you'll find the safe, ironing board, all of those things. Now, next over, there is another door to close off this space, but there is a separate sink and walk-in shower with, again, that overhead as well as handheld shower heads, all the soaps on the wall. And what's nice is you can close the other bathroom off from this bathroom if you have multiple guests and they need their privacy while they get cleaned up. Now, of course, another washroom, so disconnected from that as well, so someone can use the bathroom while someone showers. Lots of doors here, really interesting engineering and architecture, but still great, so everyone can use this even in the common rooms if people are staying there. The villas here at Saratoga Springs are really nice. They're clean, they're sleek, and they're modernized. So if you enjoy those updated amenities with that classic resort feel, Saratoga Springs is a place to check out. Now there is also a ton of other resort activities to do here. Because it's a larger resort, they have the Surrey bikes as well as regular bikes that you can rent to get around the resort. Another nice feature is you can walk to Disney Springs. It is that close, so if you enjoy going to Disney Springs, a perfect option. All in all, we enjoy staying at Saratoga Springs. I hope this was helpful. Let us know in the comments below if you've got some good information out of it, and we'll see you on another adventure.